Hello guys, and this is around so instant instant current strength kingdom. This is the current strength that you think you could control the initial faint. You can cool. It's all going was accidents, so that I could get using traits around because I kind of again I don't play in gameplay, so I'm not going to probably play staying home. Trains correct, but you can use it strengths as well. Like you're going to use it like you're going if strings like right, you're saying your string. I like. I kind of come because I can't if I'm not like not gonna use it to beginning. I'm not gonna use it to find strings like everything that could probably replace a action like a string deck. Like so experiment. That's just like the thing that I use. But I think two consents. So for them, yeah, that console. We're going to rank, but as like doing some instance of the tricks, it can't take the tricks rank. So I think so goes. So I mean, the Kevin, that's like what half like the string rank itself. Don't say that kind of the experience sinkable. So this is like doing five like I'm gonna get some content like so let's get this out. So there's also and so I got Kangaroo and got instruction it's struck guides. So I got another instructions guides. Yeah, so I'm like going to like I think it's been cable and so I'm gonna I think yeah that's quick start guide. Oh, okay. So points. So those kind of strengths I'm seeing. So I think but strength I take the rank at Kingdom. I'm going to section. I got like I'm going to I think I was gonna put this even thing. Yeah, I don't. You're gonna want such string like you're gonna defense gang string saying like I don't know. I don't see like gangster thing. Sorry. And I'm going back to Finland, so that's around, so try it. Okay. I got content. I'm talking stainless standard ring. Content. I got things can didn't seem like springs, so we could like look at a wiring. Then look at so it looks like these 4 springs, and then we think like 6 springs. So we're going to go like foot ranks or stock ranks. So I kind of like doing that, but we can like mix 2 ranks if do ranking if we rank do rank cone. I like that going. So that's what I can do is I can go against to like game concern. I try like think like what that thing's like. It's like I'm switch at the rank, but I like becoming how extent out and then a rank so you guys can get some and then kind of like way. I guess done like that's off the circle right thing doing as well. So yeah, okay. I got like blue light and black moving its own. Okay, now probably right being so I think it's since I'm going to overrights and then strength and sense I just saying what I mean by. Alright guys, so I have the strength and set up and some overrights and also soon I have like extend on so I'm going something that I probably apparently the first time we're going to Elgato time. This is like a program I think since I got scheduled. So Elgato time go to the platform and we can send. So it goes around and I cook some program next strings. Something like I remains like lines that's current site. So if we go to like stock soon, I got sit down I got like my game concern trying to if we go to next home. So and this super going again. So now I got like this. So let's get our own life and select pattern because many times like I think to click something, and sing something, click something, and but many times I don't clip. I can extend clip. I can extend rock on, so I can go into the content diagram and trunk, so I can go and rock on and I run. So if I want to run, so I'm going doing trunks rocking, but also it's a rotating tank, so I have like something. So it's some I'm gonna do a rotate times. Although I think it does still backtrack, so I can't like and then but this thing is so if I can go again, so the tactics has sent was strong oxygen bend, so now I can got like doing a Hawking current, so this thing's gonna be this, and now I'm shooting like Singstone, and then Cocktanks that, and I just gonna put it in string that a certain song. So now I have like 9. So now I can do ringtones. So now I can do that, and not only can sing icon, but it also go to backtrack and sing rectangle platform. I don't so looking at things like yeah, things like I used to trick stuff that they're talking, but now I think like I have to get current like every single current that runs in tricks and talking. So now if there's a kind of connecting thing. In fact, like something points I haven't sent a recording, so I haven't sent to the recording line. So if I do something, I can start that down and then I can complete that current that user since like if I get to play. So I'm gonna do like things like I have like sent to Frosted Tunes, but Frosted Tunes run not only do right, but it run also doing the song current. So now I have like. And that's kind of cool. So now I have that. So this kind of interesting tune. I can't use it on that string, and kind of the things like that. If you can find something that links and string, but I don't feel like I go straight into dance to do something like a song current and it does I have this schedule because like I can get that about like next month if the dance the prince I think kids and then so that's kind of nice. And I think that's it. So look guys up doing this leave your link, comment and then subscribe. And so that drinks sky and test your pink. Bye.